Alright, so hi everyone. In this video, we are going to see this question anti-knapsack. So let's read it. You are given two integers n and k. Construct an array A consists of the n distinct positive integers such that the following conditions are met. Like the value of A is from 1 to 2 into 10 to the power 4 and there exists no subsequence of A with some k. It can be shown that the answer always exists. Okay. So we have been given t number of test cases and for each test case we have given the n and k, right? And we have to output an array containing n elements a1, a2, a3 and up to so on an. The value of k is from 1 to 10 to the power 6 and n is from 1 to 1000, right? So this is the sample input case. So let's go to the approach of this question. Okay. Now in the question, we have been given basically two integers n and k, right? Now we have to output an array of n size whose um, means in which there is no subsequence having the sum as k, right? So okay, now consider a new integer, name it as the x. Now multiply this by some number t. It is not equals to k. Assume this it is not equal to k, and this k and this k both are same, right? Now I am saying like we can output an array containing elements as x, 2x, 3x, 4x up to so on n times. Now this is the solution. Now why the solution works? Okay, now I want you to take any subsequence of this particular array of form x, 2x, 3x, 4x. Let's say you have taken 2x1, 4x, 5x and some k times x, right? Here 4x basically means 4 multiplied by x. Here 3x basically means 3 multiplied by x, right? So let's say you have taken these terms, right? Now, first of all, you have to sum all of them, and when you sum them and take x common outside, you will be left with 2 plus 4 plus 5 plus j, this times x. Now we have initially assumed that x into t. What is t? T is also a integer. Now we have initially assumed that x into some integer is never equals to k, right? Now this particular term is nothing other than t. Now why t? Because t is an integer and summation of any one of them is an integer, right? So this is the basically solution of this question, anti-knapsack. So the main question lies in finding the particular x. We have to simply find an x such that on multiplying it by, or we can say that we have to find a particular x such that k modulo x is not equals to 0. The minimum such value of x will help us to create our answer, or we can say that will help us to create an array containing elements in the form of x, 2x, 3x and 4x up to so on till n term, right? So let's code it. Yeah, so first of all we have defined a variable t defines a number of means a test cases, then we iterate over it, we create two variables n and k, take the input, initialize the x which we want to find as 1, and then we just simply create a while loop where we are incrementing the value of x and checking that k modulo x is equals to 0 or not. If it is 0, then keep on incrementing, means otherwise break the loop. Now, once we break the loop, we just simply incrementing I from the 1 to n, and we printing I into n, right? And just simply cout ndl. So let's submit it and see. Here we go. So this is the solution to the problem anti-knapsack with the code name anti-knapsack. Hope you all liked it. Thank you.